channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to see me. In today's video, I will be doing these braids, these long extended box braids. And before we get into the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and please turn that bell, the post notification bell, on, so the next time I upload a video you'll be notified. And also don't forget to comment down below what other videos you'd like to see from me. But before I go into the video, I want to give an overview of the things that you need for this particular hairstyle or video. And everything that I got you can get at the hair store. So the hair that I used, is this Freetress braiding hair, pre-stretched, and it's 28 inches. They have some shorter than this as well if you don't want yours as long as mine. And I also use a Rattail comb, shine gem. I used wild growth oil after I got done with my sections of my hair, because I braided my hair into 4 different sections, but you won't see that in the video because when the video plays it'll be like 75% of my hair done. So yeah, I use this on my scalp, and I also used this Got2b glue, the styling gel, on my edges, and an edge brush. And that's pretty much it. Like, you don't need much. Oh, and some scissors. And that's it.
Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here from smoking on this weed. Told him gon' take a shot on 3. Told him drinks, it's on me. Yeah, the drinks are on me. I said now
just gonna show you guys 2 more times how I achieve the extended long box braids. So again, I'm gonna take a piece, big or small depending on how big or small your parts are. So mine are kind of like medium, so we're gonna take out this much. I'm gonna grab 2 since I'm almost done. Okay, so I got mine. It's not that thick, it's pretty small because my parts are medium. So I got my piece. Now all I'm gonna do is break off a little piece. And I'll wrap it around the bigger piece. Just like that, to make 3. So then I am going to bring the 3 different sections up to my hair that's been parted out for me to braid, and I'm gonna take my hair and part it into 3 sections to fit those 3 sections in the braiding hair. And then from there, all I'm gonna do is start braiding or plaiting. Just keep braiding almost all the way down. And it just depends on how long you want your braids. So mine are pretty long. I think mine comes right below my butt. So I'm gonna start adding my hair right here. So I'm gonna stop mid-braid, have it in 3 sections again. All I did was broke off a small piece from my braiding hair. And again, just depends on how big or how small you want your actual braid. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the piece and I'm gonna put it on top of the 2. And I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna just start braiding again. And I braid like 3 times, and then I'm just gonna grab my other piece because I want it to be even, and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna add that extra piece right here in the middle, and then I'm gonna take it and continue braiding. And that's literally all you do to extend the braid. And you can do it as many times. Like I said, it depends on how long you want your braids. Mine are already too long, but if you want yours to the flow, you just keep adding until you get your desired length, and then you braid to the end. I don't braid to the end though. I braid to when I feel like I'm ready to stop, and then all I do is I add a knot to the end, which I'll show you when I get to the end. And to relieve some of the tension on my head, because like right now it's kind of pulling, because if you braid tight, then it's probably going to start pulling on your head the farther you get down on the braid. So I just take it and I put the braid between my lips to relieve the tension, and I just keep braiding. And now that I'm done, all I'm doing is taking a small piece from what's ever left, which is kind of a lot, but that's okay. And then I'm just gonna wrap it around and make a knot. And I do that like maybe, I do it like twice, sometimes 3 times, depending on how I'm feeling, you know. But you can braid it down to the end. You don't have to tie a knot. Like I said, to each their own. It's whatever you want to do. That's just what I do. Ooh, the last braid. Thank you, Jesus. So I'm gonna just repeat what I did again. I got my piece. I am going to break off a piece. And I'm gonna wrap it around. And you got 3 sections. Then I go back up to my part. 1, 2, 3. I just divided my hair into 3 sections, and then I begin plaiting. Or braiding, whichever one you say. And that's it, and that's all. And I'm just braid down till I get to a certain point where I want to start extending my braids. And you can start extending, you know, as far up or as far down as you want. Like I said, it depends on your desired length for your braids. And this hair was already long. As you saw at the beginning of the video, I told you it was like 28 inches, I think. So you really don't have to extend this, because I think without extending it comes like to my hip. So yeah, I just was being extra. So nice. We almost done. Okay, so now I done got to where I want to start extending my braid. And just stop, hold my 3 sections. I'm gonna take one piece. All I'm doing is putting it in between the first 2. Take the 3rd piece, bring it in the middle, and just start back braiding. And then, like I said, I do it 3 times. Now I'm flipping y'all off. I do it 3 times, and then I grab another piece, and I do the exact same thing. And I do 2, like I said, just to make my braid even. I feel like if I only did 1 piece, then it'll just start thinning out. If that makes sense. Like, you know, like your braid, it'll start off like thick maybe at the top, and then it'll thin as you go down towards the bottom. And that's fine, but me personally, I don't want it to thin out like all the way up here. So I add an extra piece so it can all be the same, and then thin out towards the very, very bottom, like down here. That's literally it. After this, I'm going to put a little oil sheen, a little oil, dip my ends, and then I'll come back. So you guys have made it to the end of the video. and I want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video helped you. I hope that you now know how to do extended long braids. I know it wasn't the best angle, but I hope you got the gist of what I said. I'm not really good with explaining it well, but hopefully you understood what I was saying about how to achieve this look. But again, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.